skin is a little bit congested and so forth. That the ordinary is in Japan. But guys, the skin is skinning. Glass skin, guys, like literally glass skin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be using a few products. I'm going to be doing my skincare routine. I'm actually going to be using the peeling solution on my skin right now because my skin is a little bit congested and so forth. I have also been using the peeling solution very frequent, and the reason why is because I am not currently using any glycolic acid on my skin. Glycolic acid is very important in my skincare routine because I have acne prone skin and I always get dead skin and so forth. But for this month, for our last month actually, I have decided to not use the glycolic acid so much just because I only have one bottle left and I don't want it to be finished. So that's the reason why I have the one bottle in my skincare closet and I want to keep it until this maybe the beginning or close towards actually next month, or not next month, August, maybe next month or August, one I don't know, one of the two. So I just want to see if I can actually stretch it out so I don't have to use it. So today's skincare routine is going to be a peeling solution routine. With the peeling solution routine, you cannot do too much and you have to make sure that your skin is not irritated in any way, shape or form. Just make sure that you don't have any kind of skin irritation like barrier problems or anything that is related to irritation of the skin. That's one very important, because if you do, your skin will burn. Yes. And also do it in the evening time. So as you can tell, it's about 5 o'clock now, or 5:30. So I know I'm not going to go out the road and the sun is not shining. As you can tell, it's just like a little bit bright still because you know it's summer. But anyway, I just wanted to share this routine with you. And I'm also going to be using this cleanser from I'm From. This is pretty new. This cleanser is pretty new from I'm From. They just came out with this cleanser. If you are an I'm From user, or if you're a skincare user and you know like I'm From, I use a few of their products, or I have used a few of their products. Yeah, so this is the cleanser. This is how the cleanser looks. From I'm From. This is their newest cleanser, okay? And I have been using it for some time now. I'm gonna show you the consistency. This is the consistency of the cleanser. It's pretty thick. It kind of reminds me of the what do you call it again? It kind of reminds me of the matcha hydrating cleanser from B Labs. The consistency is similar. It's giving me the same kind of sticky, as you can tell. This is the rice tone cleanser, and this over here is the matcha hydrating cleanser. See the consistency? It's kind of similar, but the matcha is just a tad bit more runnier. So when I basically rub it up in my hand, this is what it's looking like. And look, this is the thickness of the cleanser. Alright, so I'm just going to cleanse my face with this. And as you can tell, I haven't washed my face or anything. I'm just applying the cleanser right at the get-go. And this is the level of foam you're going to be getting. So expect your skin to be really clean, but at the same time, because of the rice and the benefits of rice, you won't experience any irritations or so forth. Yes, it also contains Portulaca oleracea extract. So the main ingredients in this cleanser is the rice, which is high on the ingredients list, niacinamide, Portulaca oleracea. That's actually a wound healing ingredient, and also niacinamide, adenosine. Adenosine is good to calm the skin. It's a calming ingredient. And then now the niacinamide is supposed to be brightening and oil regulation or sebum regulation. So you're getting a bang for your buck. Okay guys, as you can tell, we finished cleansing the face. Look at the consistency of my skin. Look at my face. My skin feels clean, but it's not like stripped. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I love that for me. I love rice. Rice is life, as Japanese would say. Do Japanese say that? As Japanese would have it. Yeah, morning, noon, and night they have rice, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But this is my skin right now. It doesn't feel stripped or anything. I mean, cleansers in 2024 or 2024 shouldn't be stripping. This is a rice toner, guys. I'm gonna go in with it now. I'm gonna add that basically as just to get my skin, to set my skin and get it ready for the peeling solution. So that's one thing you want to do, guys. Whenever you're going with the peeling solution, always prep your skin. Gentle cleanser. After the gentle cleanser, you're going with a hydrating toner, and then your skin is going to be dry and ready for the peeling solution. This bad boy here, peeling solution, this is called the 32% peeling solution from The Ordinary. It's very good for acne, hyperpigmentation, textured skin, and it just makes your skin feel nice and smooth. Yes, so if you haven't ever used a peeling solution, try it, but make sure to watch the video that I'm about to show you. So this is me applying the peeling solution, and I want to apply it right here. Nice. And make sure that you haven't shaved your skin or dermaplane or anything where you have to add any type of or kind of drama to your skin. Make sure that you haven't done anything to your skin, because if you have, it will burn. Okay, it will burn. So I'm just applying it, and I'm so happy right now because I heard that The Ordinary is in Japan official. They have their store in Japan, so I'm really happy about that. Okay guys, so I'm going to wash them. Okay guys, as you can tell, we're all done. I just basically rinse my face. I'm gonna dry it now, as you can tell, and this is basically the routine that I would usually use if I use a peeling solution. As I said before, the cleanser did an awesome job, and I love it. So the next thing that I'm going to do now, my skin feels so nice and soft and smooth like a baby's booty. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to add I'm going to keep it I'm from. This is going to be an I'm from kind of video. I'm going to use the honey mask actually. So this is from I'm from. This is what the mask is looking like. So this is what it's looking like. It's like so runny, guys, because the time is hot. A little bit of that to the face. I'm gonna apply it with my hand because the spatula, I don't think it can pick up all of the product right now. So right after the peeling solution, the honey mask now is just going to get my skin nice and hydrated and calm. And I'm going to leave it for like 10 minutes. Alright, come up closer so you can see the skin, what it's looking like. Okay guys, so as you can see, the face is looking, as you can tell guys, the skin is skinning and it looks so good. Like, I am so happy that I know about skincare. I'm just telling the honest truth. I'm so happy that I found out that, you know, my skin can actually become better. So after this mask, I am going to go in with the I'm from toner. Yes, and that's just going to help to tone the skin a bit and also to get rid of the Tasmania pepperberry from in the peeling solution. But guys, you should feel my skin. It's so soft. Feels good. I know tomorrow morning when I wake up, God's willing, it's going to be even better because my skin is going to fully absorb everything that I've done to it tonight. So I'm going to get these small toning sheets or Jody pads. The rice toner, as you can tell, this is a new bottle. I literally just finished this bottle as you can tell. So I'm like all about the rice toner. I just want you to see the consistency of the rice toner. It's giving rice. It's giving the consistency of rice. Rub it in so you can see it. This is it. Hope you can see. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use a toning pad first to apply a little bit of it. The reason why I'm using toning pad, I don't really have to use toning pad, but I'm going to use a toning pad just because kind of want to get rid of like the residue that came from the red pepperberry in the ordinary peeling solution, just to see if I can get rid of any excess. Okay, maybe we didn't have any excess of anything, so yeah, it's just coming off clean and white. Okay, just a tad bit of the what do you call honey? Had a tad bit the hairline actually. I'm just basically taking the honey mask. As you can tell, I didn't show you that, but taking a little bit and then using my hand to just apply it. You don't really have to use a lot of product with this. Just 2 little drops or 2 or 3 drops is good enough. You have been treating me good. Look at that, guys. My skin is so happy with me right now, like literally. So I'm gonna go in with my Laneige Sleep Lip Mask. This is a sleeping mask. I'm gonna take just a little bit and then I'm going to apply a lip gloss. So while this is absorbing into the skin, I just want you to see my skin, what it's looking like. Look at the forehead, the cheeks. Let's look at everything, guys. Raw 4K image or footage. Just want you to see my skin. Look. So you can actually see that the product, the cleanser worked well. The peeling on my skin does not feel irritated in any way, shape, or like 0%. Like the cleanser did its thing. The peeling solution went in and it did its thing. My skin wasn't irritated at all. Then I went in with my mask. The mask just brought back my skin. I went in just now with the honey, the I'm from tone rice toner. The rice toner right now, my skin is just nice and hydrated. And if I did this during the day, of course I wouldn't do the peeling solution any day, but if I did like a routine similar to this with the cleanser and the rice toner, this would be the result of my skin. And all I would have to do now is I could apply moisturizer, or I could just apply my SPF just the way my skin is just right now. Right now, I'm going to go in with my Ordinary Alpha Arbutin. Yeah, this is the Alpha Arbutin from the Ordinary. If you know me, Alpha Arbutin is always here. Yes, there's some core products in my skincare routine that are very, very consistent. Like, guys, I'm not changing. Like, what has been working for me is working for me. I don't have to go and buy expensive product right now. What has been working for me has been working for me, and my skin loves it. Alright, so vitamin C brightening serum. I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm going to go in with like 2 drops, and I'm just gonna take it right here, and a little bit right here. Yeah, okay, and then allow that to dry down. As you can tell, this is the skin. Looks so good. Yeah, the next thing we're going to do now is to apply some moisturizer, and this one is from Beauty by Jwillscool. Okay, I'm gonna be applying just a little bit, not a lot, so maybe this much. I just basically like to just warm it up in my hands a bit, and then I like to just press it in the skin. And I love the fact that these products that I'm using all are fragrance free, guys. So fragrance free, all of them are fragrance free. I normally would go in with my eye serum, but today I feel like I don't even need it. My eyes feel so hydrated from the honey mask. I spray a little bit of body spray that vibe, you know. This is the skin. I hope you can tell from the before. I'm gonna show you a before and after the clips. But guys, the skin is skinning. Glass skin, guys, like literally glass skin. Like, guys, in order to get nice texture free skin, just practice exfoliation and hydration. Don't just exfoliate only, because if you exfoliate only, your skin will not become glass skin. It won't look like, and listen guys, there's no such thing as glass skin per se. Nobody has porcelain skin, so don't even go on social media and go and type glass skin and see somebody's skin looking like literal porcelain and think that their skin looks like that in the real life, and also think that your skin is going to look like that. Like, it's not real skin. Every skin has texture. It doesn't matter how flawless and smooth. Even Japanese, even them, they have pores. Like, you can, when you look up in their face, you can see pores because they're human beings. I mean, some people have really gorgeous skin. Like, a lot of my Japanese, like, you know, the people in Japan, a lot of them have really nice skin, and I'm like, your skin is so nice, and they're always like, oh, your skin is nice. I'm like, no, your skin is nice, and the story, it just goes on and on, and I don't really have time for that. So, but this, guys, you can see the texture on my skin, you can see everything, because this camera allows you to see that, just that. So you can see the forehead, yes, you can see the cheek area, the nose, under the, I never really show under my chin, but there's nothing to show because I don't really have problem with under my chin. I never have in my entire life. I've never had problems with under my chin. I just always have problems with right here, pimples, and right here, pure darkness. So these, my problem area is what you can see. So now that they have been dealt with, and yeah, I'm just preparing myself for summer. Skin is skinning. But I hope this video was helpful. I hope you know how to use the peeling solution now, in case anybody wants to know. This is the routine that I apply, and it allows my skin to look so flawless. And using the cleanser from using their rice toner, rice cleanser, rice toner, and then also using the from honey mask, chef's kisses, like chef's kisses. Like, you can literally see it on my skin, and this is something that I've been using for a while. So like